Welcome to the Hub of Knowledge. Study start.
Good evening, guys. I hope you all are doing well. So as you know that river system has been completed. So today I have come with a new video on Andaman and Nicobar Islands and also the Lakshadweep Islands. So today you are going to know about the details of Andaman Islands and Nicobar Islands. So let's start with this. Okay, first of all, see this map. This is the map of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. As you can see, the islands on the north, this Andaman and Nicobar Islands are divided into two parts. That means in the northern part and southern part. So north part is known as Andaman Islands and the southern part is known as Nicobar Islands. And one more important thing you must know, that these Andaman and Nicobar Islands are being separated by a channel, and the name of the channel is 10-degree channel. So this channel is very important as this channel separates the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So first of all, we read about these Andaman Islands. As you are able to see that these Andaman Islands are also divided into three parts. This is one part, this is second part, and this is third part. So this is North Andaman. Okay. This is Middle Andaman. And this third one is South Andaman. After this, you are able to see this small island, and this small island is known as Little Andaman. So let me write the name over here. This is Little Andaman. Now one more important question arises over here, that these islands North Andaman, Middle Andaman and Southern Andaman are divided by this Little Andaman by which channel? By which passage or channel? So the name of this passage is Duncan Passage. The name of this passage is Duncan Passage, and the name of this channel is known as 10-degree channel, which divide Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So let me show you these islands in this map so that your view become more clear. So as you can see over here, these are Andaman Islands and these are Nicobar Islands. And you can see this is 10-degree channel which separates the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. And you can see over here that this is North Andaman, this is Middle Andaman and this is South Andaman. And this is Little Andaman, which is separated by these islands by Duncan Passage. So this passage is known as Duncan Passage. That means you can say that South Andaman and Little Andaman are separated by Duncan Passage. I hope now this is more clear to you. Okay, now read something about the Nicobar Islands also. So here you can see this is 10-degree channel. This island you are able to see, this is Car Nicobar Island. Car Nicobar Island. And to the south of this island lies here, this is Little Nicobar Island. Little Nicobar Island. As you have seen that this was Little Andaman Island and this is Little Nicobar Island. So keep this in your mind that both the islands are there over here, but both are divided by 10-degree channel. And this one, this is the big island as compared to this Little Nicobar Island. This is Great Nicobar. This is Great Nicobar Island. And you can see this point. This is known as Indira Point. And this is the most important point. Why it is important? Because it is the southernmost point of India. It is the southernmost point of India and it lies at 6 degrees 4 minutes. But one more thing you should know about this, that Indira Point have been submerged by the tsunami of 2004. So guys, let me show you this in the map so that you may get the clear view of Nicobar Islands. Okay, as you can see over here, this is 10-degree channel which is separating Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and this is Car Nicobar Island, and to the south of this lies Little Nicobar Island, and to the extreme south here lies Great Nicobar Islands. And here you can see this is Indira Point, which is the southernmost point of India, which have been submerged in the tsunami of 2004. So guys, let's read about some of the more features of Andaman Island. So here you can see these are Narcondam Island, this is Narcondam Island and this is Barren Island. So you must know about this feature, that this Barren Island is the only active volcano of the Southeast Asia. And here you can see this is Narcondam Island. This is also the small volcanic island, but this volcano has been extinct. So this is extinct volcano and this Barren Island is an active volcano. One more thing you must know over here, that there are some of the reefs over here. Here it is West Coral Reef in Andaman Islands, West Coral Reef, and this is Middle Coral Reef, middle coral reef in front of these middle Andaman, and here lies South Coral Reef. This is South Coral Reef in front of the southern Andaman. One more feature I want to tell you, that as we have read that this is North Andaman and this is South Andaman, sorry, this is Middle Andaman and this is South Andaman. We have read about this, okay. So to the north of these here lies Coco Channel. So this is Coco Channel, and here lies an island which is known as Coco Island. This is Coco Island, which is the island territory of Myanmar, not India. So just keep this in your mind that these are Coco Islands to the north of Andaman Islands, and this is the island territory of Myanmar, not India. And China would control over this island, Coco Island, so that China can see what are the activities being done in Indian Ocean. Here in this map you can see this is Coco Island, this is North Andaman. To the north of North Andaman there lies Coco Channel, and here lies somewhat Coco Island, which is the island territory of Myanmar. Guys, one more important thing you must know, that when our country's Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi went on a 2-day visit to Andaman and Nicobar Islands, he renamed the 3 islands. So these 3 islands are here: Havelock Island, Neil Island and Ross Island. So Havelock Island was renamed as Swaraj Deep, Neil Island was renamed as Shahid Deep, and Ross Island was renamed as Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Island. These islands were renamed to give a tribute to Subhash Chandra Bose. Now let's read something about the Lakshadweep Islands. So one most important thing you must know about these islands. First of all, these are Andaman Islands and these are Lakshadweep Islands. Sorry, these are Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So you have seen that as you can see the latitude of this. See the latitude of Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and here with the green line I am showing you, this is the latitude of Lakshadweep Island. So Lakshadweep Island latitude lies to the south of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Just keep this in your mind, this is very important thing you must know. So guys, see that these Lakshadweep Islands lie in front of this Kerala region only. So these Lakshadweep Islands lies to the front of Kerala only, and more or less to the Malabar coast, you can say, to the Malabar coast, okay. So here you can see these are the Lakshadweep Islands. This is the state of Kerala. So here you can see these are the islands given. These are the Lakshadweep Islands. These are very small, and to the south, to the extreme south of Lakshadweep Islands lies here Minicoy Island. Here you can see Kavaratti. This is also the island which is the capital of Lakshadweep Islands. So to the north of Kavaratti lies Amandivi Islands. Here it lies Amandivi Islands, and to the south of Kavaratti lies Cananore Islands. Cananore Islands. Okay. And one more important thing, as we have read like 10-degree channel, here it is 9-degree channel, which separates Cananore Islands and Minicoy Islands. And one most important channel, here lies 8-degree channel. 8-degree channel which separates Lakshadweep Islands and Maldives, which is also the island territory of India. So keep it in your mind that 8-degree channel separates Lakshadweep and Maldives, which is also the island territory of India. 9-degree channel separates Cananore Islands and Minicoy, and 10-degree channel separates Andaman Islands from Nicobar Islands. So guys, I hope you are getting the things clear, and you will get it more clear if you will do it by yourself in the blank maps. So guys, if you like my video, please like, share and comment on it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell button. Thank you so much.